Hey guys, so we are going to go over how to use the most basic features of UpLink. So what you're going to do is go to the Facebook page that you're interested in connecting with people on, and then you're going to click on the People or Members tab. Once you get there, just do a quick refresh. That's kind of like the best practice to make sure that there's no glitches and that it just works properly. So once you're here, then you can open up UpLink. And like I said, we're just going to do the most basic version of it this time, so don't worry about the keywords or the phone number, email. We're just going to click download now, and you see here it starts putting in parentheses like 10 and then 20. That's the amount of people of data that it's gathering. So I'm just going to stop it at 20 people. Once we have that downloaded, we can open up the file, and this is the file. So there are a few things that we need to do before we can upload it to UpLink. So I'm just going to extend this to make it a little bit easier to read. Okay, Facebook ID is like some coding thing. Don't even worry about it, but leave it there. The profile link is the link to the person's profile. The name is there. Then what we have is bio text, which is, here, let me show you. Essentially this, registered nurse at Alameda Health System and works at self-employed. That's that information. So what I'm going to do, again, we're doing the most basic version of this, so there will be another video that shows how to use this information. For the sake of this one, I'm just going to delete it, okay? So the file like this will not work if we upload it just like this. There's one more thing that we have to do, and that is create a slot for the email. And what I'm going to just do is not available or whatever that stands for, but basically no email. Then we're going to copy this and drag it down to all of the people here. So just the way that it is like this, you can upload it like this and you won't have any issues. However, what you should be doing is adding a label name. Label name. And I'm just going to name this one new contact. We'll do the same thing. Copy. Drag it all the way down. Paste. Save this. Okay, so now we have the file ready to go. Some files, I'll say this as well, some files will have on the first row here, instead of it saying like Facebook profile link, name, email, it'll have like the name of the Facebook profile or the Facebook group that you downloaded the information from. Make sure to delete that, because what we need is the first row to have this information, and then the second row has the data of the contacts. If everything is shifted down so that Facebook ID, Facebook profile is in row 2 and all of the information of the contact starts in row 3, it's not going to upload properly. So make sure it looks just like this. Make sure that it has one slot here for email. And then label name is what I'm going to show you it'll do in a second here. So what we'll do now is open up UpLink, go to home, and then here on the bottom left you'll see how it says import/export, and then we're going to import friends with label, and then we're just going to upload this file. It'll take a second. Now you'll see here it has a new label here and all of the 20 people that we added. So I like this view a little bit better, but you'll see here it created the label name new contact. It uploaded all 20 people. You can change the color as you should, you know, but essentially if you created a label name that does not exist, so for example I don't have anything that's called new contact, then it'll create that label for you. However, if I created label name and then did one initial outreach, just like it says here, it will actually put them into this label. And that's about it. So like I said, that's the simplest way of using this product. I will go over some details, tips and tricks and stuff like that in the next couple videos. But this should get you quite far. So if anything, just start with this.